Welcome, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, how is the training been going so far? Hope you guys have been getting value. Hope you guys have been learning. Hope you guys have been practicing. Hope you guys have been understanding. Very, very important. It's not to learn. It's not to listen. It's to do. People that get results from anything are those that do, not those that listen, not those that hear. That it is those that do. So, as we continue learning, let's also put them into practice. Let's go beyond what you are receiving from here and learn more. Okay. Yeah. So how exactly, how to design a brand identity? We are coming closer. How do you design a brand identity? How do you design a brand identity? So we start from here. You start from project brief research. So you start asking your clients about the project. So what you use to make your designs awesome is the brief. Is the brief that your clients will give to you. So you start asking your clients. Ask your clients to list keywords, the keywords of the brand. So what is your brand all about? Keywords like company values, like attributes of their services, what are they rendering, what set them apart from the crowd, definitely what they are doing someone else is doing. So why do they think that if they start this business now, if they start rendering such services now, people will start attending to them, people will start coming to them to help them get what they need. So what exactly will set them apart, what will make them different from others? So these are the questions you ask your clients. So it will not only help them understand how they see themselves, but it will also help clients evaluate. Okay, but some clients, they don't understand any of these things. So by the time you start asking them these questions, they would understand better. Yeah, they will understand better. So don't overlook what the client doesn't like. Okay, this will help to narrow your research. Don't overlook it. Please pay attention to it. What your client does not like. So this is the process of logo designing a great logo design. First of all, logo design process. Number one is understand the project brief. What I said before, create your own personal project. Okay, so by the time your client gave you a brief, you also do more research, go deeper than what your client gave to you to understand what the brand is all about. That is your work. You are a problem solver, you are the designer. You have to go deeper to start researching, to understand the project, to understand the kind of industry, make researches on those that are in the industry, how the logos are, like those research thoroughly. Do researches if the person is into technology or banking, so go and search other banks and read their these stories. How did they come up with what they are doing? So with that, you start getting more ideas. So ask questions about the company, the audience, the values, the mission, the competitors. As designers, we are problem solvers. So you want to understand the need for a new logo and how you can solve this problem effectively. A logo is arguably the face of a brand that needs capture the attention of what they do. So step two is list keywords. I've said this before, associated to the project. This can be company values, logo, the colors, anything that can help generate ideas. Then project research. The step three, you start making your researches. After you've asked your questions, you start making your researches. There are many ways to research for a project. You can go on Google. I use Google. I use Pinterest. I use Behance. You can go there. So the keywords you gather will allow you. This can be photos, reality, to the bees, to the colors, to the typography, design styles, and all. So once you've gathered all of these things, once you've gathered all these things you are going to gather are called mood board. I'm going to explain better. They are called mood board. Okay. So once you've gathered all these ideas, all this I'm saying, we are going to design it. We are going to do the practical aspect of it, so you can understand what I'm saying. So once you've gotten all these researches, you've downloaded all the images, all the icons you need, everything you need. If you've gotten it, then you start doing your sketching. You start sketching your ideas. What you've gotten, how do you want the logo to look like? You start sketching the ideas. So when it comes to logo design, simplicity is key element. Don't forget, whenever you are doing a logo design, let the design to be as simple as possible. Let it be very, very simple to understand. Don't make it complicated. Don't make it too busy. Don't make it ambiguous. Just make it to be simple. Okay. So step 5 is designing. This is where you start designing. This is where you now import your sketch into your laptop, into your logo, any platform you're using to design. You now import it. So design in black and white first. Don't forget, focusing in positive and negative without the need of color. Just black and white. Don't add any color. You should also consider typography. Your typography is very, very, very important. There should be balance between the elements of size and position too. There should be balance. Don't forget what I told you guys. You want to pick a color palette that will fit the brand. You should pick a color that fits the brand. I told you that color has emotion, so every brand has their own color, what it represents. You can't be using red brand for a cake, something possibly you cannot use it, because red signifies so many things. It signifies boldness, it signifies power, it signifies danger, it signifies so many things. Okay, so I'm also going to give you guys some of these things so that we are going to understand them better. So try not to use too many colors. Don't forget what I told you guys in the beginning of this class. Don't use many colors. 3 colors is okay. 2 colors, 4 colors are okay. So remember that every project is different. The time scale, the prices, the budget, but this practice will work well for most. So this I just explained now is very, very important. All these things we are going to go into deep to explain better, and also I'm going to, by the time we start making our design, the practical aspect, we are going to understand very well and better. Okay, so let's stop here for now. I'm going to don't forget that I will give you guys this material to read and to understand better. Okay, with the videos you guys will understand better and better. So let's we are going to be stopping here, and in our next video we'll continue. Okay, so see you guys in our next video.